Hey guys, it's Kerry. Lots of awesome sharks, whales, fish, octopus, turtles, cephalopods and more. Blue crab. Crabs walk and swim sideways. The males are bright blue in colour with white spots and with characteristically long chelipeds. Hermit crab. There are cases when seashells are not available and hermit crabs will use alternatives such as tin cans and custom-made debris. Moray eel. They rely mostly on their highly developed sense of smell, lying in wait to ambush prey. Giant squid have large eyes measuring 25 centimeters in diameter. Their large eyes help them to see in the gloomy depths in which they inhabit. King crab are a taxon of crab-like decapod crustaceans. Because of their large size and the taste of their meat, many species are widely caught and sold as food. The red king crab is a very large species with a carapace up to a width of 28 centimeters and a leg span of 1.8 meters. Megalodon was a prehistoric monster shark that first appeared about 20 million years ago. They had a massive bite force and their teeth were thick and robust, built for grabbing prey and breaking bone. It is the largest prehistoric shark to have ever existed and one of the most powerful predators on Earth. Please subscribe and turn on notifications so you're the first to know when I upload a new video. Great white shark bare their teeth and roll their eyes back into their heads when they attack, putting the shark's jaw and teeth into the best attack position, and at the same time protecting their eyes from claws and barbs. Great white sharks are ovoviviparous, which means eggs develop and hatch in the uterus and continue to develop until birth. Great whites attack by propelling themselves at their prey with great speed. They take a single massive bite and drag their victims down into deeper water. Then they let go and the victim bleeds to death before being eaten. They are found in coastal surface waters in every major ocean and can swim in water only 3 feet deep. To attract a mate, they sometimes do what is called pattern breach. They propel 2/3 of their body out of the water and land flat against the surface, causing a large splash. Frogfish. They are small, short and stocky and sometimes covered in spinels and other appendages to aid in camouflage. Reef squid is a genus of pencil squid. They are easily recognizable by their large rounded fins that extend almost the entire length of their mantles. Kemp's Ridley sea turtle. It is the rarest species and the world's most endangered species of sea turtle. It is also the smallest sea turtle, measuring up to 70 centimeters. Females produce cloacal pheromones to indicate sexual receptivity. After attempting to mount her, they circle each other. The turtle penis, like that of a mammal, is a hydraulic cylinder that becomes engorged by fluid and is relatively resistant to bending when erect. Largemouth bass is carnivorous. The male makes a nest using the rocky and weedy bottoms After a female is found, the two bass swim around the nest together, turning their bodies so that the eggs and sperm that are being released will come in contact on the way down to the nest. The male guards the nest. Octopus. The giant Pacific octopus is the largest known octopus species. The soft body can radically alter its shape, enabling octopuses to squeeze through small gaps. They trail their 8 appendages behind them as they swim. Octopuses have 3 hearts, a systemic heart that circulates blood around the body, and 2 branchial hearts that pump it through each of the 2 gills. The systemic heart is inactive when the animal is swimming, and so if it tires quickly, it will start to crawl. Marine lobster. It can weigh up to 20 kilograms, making it the heaviest crustacean in the world and also the heaviest of all living arthropod species. Blue-spotted ray. Although it is timid and innocuous towards humans, the blue-spotted ray is capable of inflicting an excruciating wound with its venomous tail spines. At night, small groups follow the rising tide onto the sandy flats to root for small benthic invertebrates and bony fishes in the sediment. Cuttlefish are marine mollusks of the order Cepida. They belong to the class Cephalopods, which also includes squid, octopus and nautilus. Basking shark. They are the second largest shark in the world, with an average adult size of between 7 and 8 meters. Pacific Goliath groper. It has a robust oblong body. They can grow up to 2.5 meters in length. Sperm whale. They are the largest of the odontocetes and the most sexually dimorphic cetaceans, with males considerably larger than females. It is the only living cetacean that has a single blowhole asymmetrically situated on the left side of the head near the tip. Their large conical teeth grow to 20 centimeters in length. Killer whale. They are the largest member of the dolphin family. They are top-level carnivores. Their diet varies seasonally and regionally. Day-to-day behaviour generally consists of foraging, travelling, resting and socialising. Killer whales frequently engage in surface behaviour such as breaching and tail slapping. These behaviours have a variety of purposes such as courtship, communication, dislodging parasites, or just playing. Spy hopping is a favourite behaviour in which a whale holds its head above the water to view its surroundings. Killer whales can be found in all of the world's oceans in a variety of marine environments, from Arctic and Antarctic regions to tropical seas. The magnificent megalodon. goblin shark. This pink-skinned animal has a distinctive profile with an elongated flat snout and highly protrusible jaws. Jaws by Funko. Great white shark. Kemp's Ridley hatchling. They reach maturity between 7 and 15 years of age. Anglerfish. They are bony fish, named for their characteristic mode of predation in which a modified luminescent fin acts as a lure for other fish. Coelacanths. They are nocturnal piscivores that feed mainly on benthic smaller fish and various cephalopods. They are passive drift feeders. Angel shark. Their unique features are the rounded tip of the nose, the 7 gills instead of 5, and only 1 dorsal fin. Anomalocaris. They are extinct. They are distantly related to modern-day arthropods, including crabs and lobsters. Cuperoceras was a genus of nautiloid cephalopod from the Permian period that resembled a spiny ammonite. Cretoxyrhina was one of the largest sharks and a formidable predator in the late Cretaceous seas. Crocodile. They eat mainly fish, turtles, birds, and other small animals. They capture water animals in their jaws with a sideways motion. They seize land animals by the feet and drag them towards the water. After crocodiles mate, the female lays eggs. Some types can lay up to more than 100 eggs. Green sea turtle. They are one of the world's largest species of turtle, weighing between 65 and 130 kilograms. Hermit crab. Hatchlings are born in the water and remain there for a time. They molt up to 6 times to reach full crab form. Humpback calf. Ichthyosaurus. They used their fins for swimming. They lived in the sea and were incapable of returning to land. Their tails had a large crescent-shaped fin. Leatherback turtle. The leatherback shell is leathery. It feels almost rubbery. Liopleurodon was a large species of pliosaur. It was an apex predator in the Upper Jurassic seas around 160 to 155 million years ago. It grew to about 6.5 meters and it was a relative of Pliosaurus and Kronosaurus. Lobster. They have 2 big claws and 8 walking legs. Megalodon ruled the seas from about 17 million years ago up to almost 3 million years ago. This colossal predator reached lengths of up to 20 meters. The only marine animal ever to outweigh the massive megalodon is the blue whale, which weighs up to 200 tons, which would be just more than double the size of megalodon. Its jaws could open wide enough to swallow 2 adults standing side by side. giant squid. Along with their cousin, the colossal squid, they have beach ball-sized eyes. Their eyes are the largest eyes in the animal kingdom and are about 10 inches or 25 centimeters in diameter. Their big eyes help them to spy objects in the dark depths where most of them live. Blue-ringed octopus. They are usually nocturnal, emerging at night to hunt crustaceans and small fish. The brightly coloured rings are a warning to would-be predators. Blue sea dragon swallows air bubbles that allow it to float on the ocean surface upside down. So the interesting blue and white colour is actually the bottom side of the blue dragon. Seahorse. They come in many colours, varying from grey, orange, brown, yellow, red and black. Shrimp. They will eat algae, dead and living plants, worms, fish, snails and other dead shrimp. Cuttlefish. Coelasuchus. Basilosaurus. Basilisk. Octopus baby. Sea star. Kronosaurus. Mosasaurus. Axolotl. Emperor penguin and chick. Horseshoe crab. Nautilus. Nautilus. Ammonite pleuroceras. Ammonite brevitoceras. Orthoceras. Belemnite. Trilobite. Zephactinus. Helicoprion. Sea elephant. Manatee. Sea lion. Largemouth bass. Salmon. Piranha. Sailfish. Red-eared slider turtle. Horseshoe crab. Narwhal. Weedy sea dragon. Please stay and watch another video with me. I love to read your comments. Thank you for watching my video. See you again soon. See you guys in my next video.